hidden power of string formatting in Python. Do you know how to do this in Python? If you don't, then watch this video. Here I have a string stored in a variable. Sam is stored in this variable called name. Using f-strings, remember f-strings are just curly braces that can be incorporated in a string. So a string is anything that begins with double speech mark or single speech mark at the beginning. You just add f to get f-string, which is a dynamic string that incorporates variable names. So within the curly braces over here, you can see I've included my variable name. So if I run my code, you can see that it prints that variable name, which has the name Sam. Now, if I want to pad that name and make it 10 characters long, I can do that by still having my variable name as we did here, but adding a colon. The colon and everything after it signifies that you want some sort of formatting. So here, the right angle arrow means that you want to shift the name Sam towards the right. But on the left-hand side, you want to pad it with spaces. So if you don't include a character before the right arrow here, right pointing arrow, then it will fill everything prior to the name Sam with spaces. But I can add a character such as the plus character. And you can see it's now filling in the left hand side with plus symbols or the plus sign. And you can do that if you want it the other way around. You want Sam to appear on the left and you want the pluses to appear on the right. Then you just change the arrow pointing towards the left. And that gives you pluses on this side. Remember, if you don't include a plus, then it will just do empty spaces like, so you have empty spaces here. But if you want to include the pluses on the left and the right, then you can add the arrow pointing upwards. So here you can do that and you can see that we get plus on both sides and Sam is in the center. The 10 signifies that you want the total length to be 10. That includes the name Sam. So if I had Samuel, for example, you can see the number of pluses will reduce. And now you only get 2 pluses here and 2 on this side. So 4 and you get 4 here in spaces if you don't include anything before the angled arrows over here. So this is the power or the hidden power of string formatting in an f-string that nobody tells you how to use. It's very simple, just add a colon and then you can format your string as you please.